So this is using Autoglym leather care balm on the seats. Just going to apply that now and I'll show you the process. So just put some of the product on this pad, just going to work it in. If you put the product on and you go straight on to the where you're applying it to the leather, especially if it's textured leather, you'll just put too much in one place and it'll be a job to get it out. So there we go, just going to apply that now. And then using a clean microfiber, just going to buff the product. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.